Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you are using Squarespace and want to customize the footer, text, links, social icons, layouts in 2026, here is the first thing you need to know. The footer is global, meaning any change you make appears on all pages of your website. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to edit the footer in Squarespace in 2026 cleanly, safely, and like a pro. So first thing first, enter the Squarespace editor. Okay, so log into Squarespace, open your website, and click edit. Okay. Like this. So you must be in the edit mode to change the footer. Okay, so scroll down to the footer area. Okay, so scroll to the very bottom of any page. Okay, hover over the footer, click the edit footer or edit when it appears. Okay, you are now editing the global footer, so add, remove, or edit footer blocks. So inside footer edit mode, click add block. Available blocks include text, navigation, social links, button, form, and image. Okay, so click any block to edit, move, or delete it. Footer blocks work the same way as page blocks. Okay, so you can structure the footer visually, so drag blockers or blocks to reorder, place blocks side by side, adjust spacing automatically. Okay, popular layouts like 2 columns, 3 columns, minimal copyright only. Okay, so simpler layouts look more professional. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.